What's up, guys? J1's here, and this is my science channel. And on this channel, we're gonna do some awesome experiments, things that you could do with your family, and things that you could do by yourself. But sometimes the things you could do by yourself make a mess. So just have fun, all right, guys? This channel is all about fun. When you're bored, just go on J1 Science, and you'll just have fun, alright guys? Alright guys, now we're gonna talk about my YouTube channel. As you guys know, this is my science channel, and I'm gonna talk about my comedy channel. We just now put up a video, and you can get to know my vlogging channel, and you can get to know about me. I can get to know more about you guys. Okay. For it, we could blow up.
Hey, Sean, what are you doing?
Well,
wait. What is that? Oh!
Wait.
Run!
Stop!
Okay.
Kind of. But subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And you will join the J1's family. See you guys on the next video. And make sure to subscribe to my other channel right here. And give this video a thumbs up. And tell all your friends about my channel. Oh, let me cut my back. Oh, yeah. See you guys on the next video.